In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip images in Wix Studio. Now, whether you're fine-tuning your site's aesthetic or simply experimenting with different looks, flipping images can add a fresh perspective to your design. Let's dive right into it and transform your images with a few easy steps. To begin, we need to access the Photo Studio within Wix. Start by looking at the left side of the editor screen. Here, you'll notice a menu panel. Click on Media. This is your gateway to all the visual elements you have on your site. Under Media, you'll find Site Files. Clicking on that will lead you to all the images you've uploaded, associated with your site project. Once you're in Site Files, hover over the image you wish to flip. Now, instead of just clicking, you want to right-click on the image. A small menu will pop up with several options. From these, select the option titled Crop and Edit. This action launches the Wix Photo Studio. Now that we are inside the Photo Studio, which visually resembles a mini editing suite of its own, you can see various controls and features to tweak your image. For flipping the image, direct your attention to the bottom area of the screen. You will find a set of intriguing icons there. Specifically, there are two bar icons, one representing horizontal flip and the other for vertical flip. It's really straightforward. Clicking on the horizontal bar icon will flip your image from left to right, like a visual mirror. Meanwhile, the vertical bar icon will achieve a top-to-bottom flip, rotating your image upside down. And there you have it. By merely playing with these intuitive icons, you've successfully flipped your image. Remember, these kinds of quick edits can be handy when you need a mirrored reflection or when a design element requires altering the direction of your visual elements for balance. As you make these changes, consider how flipping an image can impact the overall symmetry and balance of design. Sometimes a mirrored image aligns better with text or other graphics, or simply enhances the visual appeal by offering a new point of view. Though simple, this feature in Wix Studio adds a depth of creative flexibility to your design repertoire. Be sure to experiment with both horizontal and vertical flips to see which suits your needs best. And remember, you can always undo and redo your edits until you get the desired look. That's it for today's tutorial. This easy yet effective technique will surely help enhance your site's design and make image management a breeze. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy editing.